Suffering from wrist pain or even carpal tunnel syndrome? The NOC-Free Lite 60 is here to rescue. It is a natural treatment of carpal tunnel syndrome and all other pains. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design principles, this keyboard offers unparalleled comfort and productivity, revolutionizing the way you interact with your computer. Let's talk about its top 6 key features. 1. Split design. The NOC-Free Lite 60 features an innovative split layout, dividing the keyboard into 2 separate halves. This design promotes a more natural typing posture by allowing your hands to rest in a comfortable position, reducing strain on your wrists and fingers. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to effortless typing with this ergonomic solution. 2. Ergonomic comfort. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the NOC-Free Lite 60 prioritizes comfort without compromising on performance. Its low-profile keys and gentle slope ensure that your hands remain in a relaxed position, minimizing fatigue and maximizing productivity during long typing sessions. 3. Customizable key mapping. Take control of your typing experience with customizable key mapping. Whether you're a programmer, writer, or avid gamer, you can tailor the keyboard layout to suit your specific needs and preferences. With the ability to remap keys and assign macros, the NOC-Free Lite 60 empowers you to optimize your workflow and boost efficiency. 4. Vibrant RGB backlighting. Immerse yourself in a world of color with vibrant RGB backlighting. Choose from a spectrum of hues and dynamic lighting effects to create a personalized typing environment that reflects your unique style and personality. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a dazzling light show, the NOC-Free Lite 60 allows you to express yourself like never before. 5. Wireless connectivity. Experience freedom from wires and clutter with wireless Bluetooth connectivity. The NOC-Free Lite 60 seamlessly connects to your devices, allowing you to type from anywhere within range without being tethered to a desk. Enjoy the convenience of wireless technology without sacrificing reliability or performance. 6. Universal compatibility. The NOC-Free Lite 60 is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, ensuring smooth connectivity across all your devices, whether it's a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Say hello to a new era of comfort, productivity, and style with the NOC-Free Lite 60. Get it via the link in description below.